Our next startup is Kofman Technologies.
I'm Daniel Kofman, CEO and founder of Kofman Technologies. We work with police, soldiers, and firefighters to determine their needs, and we develop products to keep them safer in the field. So I've actually been into public safety technology since I was in middle school. My first science fair projects were covered in Kevlar, and apparently impressive enough to get me a gold certificate at the Illinois State Science Fair. At the same time, I was building connections with the Midwest law enforcement and military community through airsoft, also known as military simulation. When I was 17, I founded what was then known as Kofman Industries. This is us at the finals of the Conrad Awards, which is an international entrepreneurship competition for high school students. Since 2013, we've made a lot of progress. This year, we were finalists in the COZAD New Venture competition at the University of Illinois. We're also backed by 2 accelerator programs, the first being iVenture, which is running the show here, and the second being Emerge, which is a partnership between TechNexus and the Department of Homeland Security. Through these programs and other sources, we've gathered over $30,000 worth of funding and support. We've also grown a large and highly talented team of students and mentors from a variety of different backgrounds. You'll see some of them here today, actually. Up at the top are our officers. So at the left, we're all U of I students. At the left is me. I'm the CEO. I study mechanical engineering. Then Juliana, she's our Chief Operating Officer, studying international relations and mechanical engineering. Then Sriram, Chief Technology Officer. He studies computer engineering. And at the far right is Anton. He's a freshman in the College of Business. So we have 2 products in the pipeline today. The first is our police and fire quadcopter, Butterfly. You may have heard recently of police and fire departments across the country beginning to use quadcopters in their operations. And every department we've talked to so far wants to buy one. However, when they go to buy one, they're told to choose between the same one their niece got for her birthday last year or a slightly fancier toy for around $50,000. And these 2 are essentially the same thing. It's an expensive, fragile flying camera that can't be repaired or modified for a different application and is usually very difficult to fly. So we listened to their problems and we created Butterfly. Butterfly is incredibly intuitive to fly and made up entirely of modular components that can be popped on and off in seconds. We've also developed a full set of modules specific to police and fire needs. So this makes the drone extremely adaptable to a variety of situations. In the morning, the police department can use Butterfly to survey a field and find a missing toddler. And that afternoon, the same Butterfly, configured slightly differently, can be used by the fire department to investigate a hazardous material situation. Our second product is KT-1 body armor. KT-1 is a rifle-grade armor plate that goes in a ballistic vest like this. KT-1 is thinner, lighter, and cheaper than its competition and offers the highest grade of protection available, as certified by the National Institute of Justice. We're working on getting that certification right now. KT-1 will also be the first smart armor. We're currently developing technology that will allow the squad leader to get notified if any of their officers have been hit. And that means shot or impacted or in a crash in any way. So there's an accelerometer and a damage detection feature built into the armor. We have working tested prototypes. We have working tested prototypes of both products, which you can check out during the demo. But we still have a long ways to go to get to market. Right now, we're looking for mentorship when it comes to marketing and intellectual property issues. We're looking for contacts in manufacturing and distribution with whom we'll set up partnerships later on. And most importantly, we're looking for beta testers. We've talked to 3 departments so far interested in beta testing our drone, but we need more. We're looking for police, firefighters, soldiers, and veterans that want to contribute their input to our product development and test out our products. So if you're a police officer, a firefighter, soldier, or veteran, please come during demo time to talk to us. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and thank you for your service. We're Kofman Technologies, and we work to protect those who keep us safe.